What's up, guys? So starting the Broke to Built 2022 contest. We've got YZ125 that we're going to be rebuilding, and today I'm going to be tearing down the engine. I've already gotten a few things started. I've already kind of separated the cylinder, and as you can see, our crank is completely locked up. It spins a little bit, but pretty locked. Stupid me, I was trying to see if I could get it unlocked, and I broke this power valve actuator arm. So gonna have to deal with that. Gonna have to buy a new one. But you know, it is what it is. So today we'll be tearing this down. I'll go ahead and throw this in a time-lapse mode and reposition the camera, and we'll get started. So, hope you enjoy. Big old gouge in that oil seal. So yeah, definitely was leaking oil. did figure out how to get this sprocket nut off of the thing pretty easily. And I spoke to shop. They're doing a little bit of inspection on this, and you probably won't be able to see this on camera, but I noticed a really bad gouge. Here's one, a couple of nicks right there, but there's some really bad gouging right here on the inside of that cylinder. So this sleeve that was pressed in here is no good. Dang, I just noticed the cylinder right here has been chipped off from the last time it was sleeved. And I hope that's not bad. So let's see if you can even see that. So right here, oh yeah, you can see that for sure. Right there, it's chipped off piece of the original casing. Probably still will work. So, but this sleeve's no good, so that's gonna have to get pressed out. So I gotta pull the power valve assembly apart real quick, get this cleaned up, and run this over to the shop, drop it off. I just spoke to the guy right now, he's expecting it today, so gotta get this apart. Going to show you. So what I need that I don't have is a deep 12. One thing I don't have a deep 12. So I need to get a deep 12 before I can remove this thing. And the other thing that I needed was to remove this sprocket nut from here, which that was actually pretty easy. So got that taken care of. Once I solved those two, or solved this one last issue, ready to get the case splitter out, pull all the case bolts and start splitting. So really looking forward to that. This will be my first time 100% splitting the cases. To be honest, this is the farthest I've ever torn down a dirt bike engine at all right here. So it's give you guys a look back. All we've done today: clutch assembly, and just broken and shattered, so we're gonna need a whole new clutch and inner and outer hub. Cylinder's gotta get sleeved. Bottom end, other than those things, seems pretty good in this being locked up. transmission shifted through all the gears, so I have a feeling we're probably not going to really need to replace much bottom end wise. Probably do all the bearings just to be safe. You know, I'm thinking we'll probably slap a new crank in here. We're going to get the cases vapor blasted. Probably get this vapor blasted after we get it repaired. And then it's just a matter of time and money, really, before it's all back together and a fantastic running engine capable of some fun track time. So got a lot of ways to go, but we are definitely getting there. What's up, guys? So good news, I was able to get the 12 millimeter deep that I needed to remove this guy from here. So we are finally ready to proceed with this bottom end. Let me get this clutch cover out of the way. We're going to be stripping this the rest of the way down. So without further ado, I throw you guys on a time lapse and we'll get rocking and rolling. Give you guys a little bit better view.
What's up, guys? Great news. We got the cylinder back from the machine shop. It is looking phenomenal. You can see that hatching in there. And if you guys saw what it looked like before, I mean, it is just great. They actually didn't re-sleeve it. They just cleaned up the existing sleeve, cleaned up my valves for me, power valves. So, let's see. They really did a good job on those. Really cleaned those up. Really did a good job, and then he got me a matched piston for it. Got me a Wiseco. I may not run it. I still might go and look to get me a Vertex, but yeah, really excited. Everything came back and it's looking fabulous. I got the cases out to get vapor honed. I'm probably just going to clean this up here at home, and we're going to just tape it off and do some. We're going to do something about this here, but just going to clean this one up here. Replace the seals. I got all the seals coming. Gasket kit. So yeah, it's looking good. Coming along. Excited. Guys, really sorry about this. My tripod had broken, so I couldn't really do much of the recording of the actual assembly, but tried to do my best to capture, as much of it as I could, and kind of put together a little photo slideshow for the end of this. So I just want to thank you guys all for watching, and I appreciate you.